It's good to see you again. Let's practice these sounds. TH, third month. TH. T, two sticks. T. T. The TH sound is an interesting sound. Place your teeth on your tongue and gently push the air through. Yeah, it's a continuous sound and it's a voiceless sound. There's no voice. Great. The T sound is also unvoiced, but it doesn't continue. T, t, and the tongue is behind the teeth. T, t. Let's practice. 3, tree, 3, tree. What's this? It's a 3. It's a 3. What's that? It's a tree. It's a tree. Bath, bat, bath, bat. What's happening? He's taking a bath. He's taking a bath. What's that? It's a bat. It's a bat. Booth, boot, booth, boot. What's this? It's a booth. It's a booth. What's that? It's a boot. It's a boot. Thick, tick, thick, tick. What's this? It's thick. It's thick. What's that? It's a tick. It's a tick. Let's review. Ready? 3, tree. It's a 3. It's a tree. Bath, bat. He's taking a bath. It's a bat. Booth, boot. It's a booth. It's a boot. Thick, tick. It's thick. It's a tick. Very well done. This one deserves another round of practice. So go back to the start and practice with me.